Look at those noises. Yes. Wake up.
That's how she scratched her face before.
Oh,
She claws at
no
it.
scratching. Wake up, Miss Finley. Oh, big stretches. Big stretches. Make those baby noises. Mm-hmm.
Her rash feels like it's drying up. She feels dry.
It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Yes, it's time to wake up. Little Miss Finley, it's time to wake up. My sweet little girl. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up, my little sweet girl. Wake up, little Miss Finley. Say hi, Auntie Martha. Hi, Auntie Martha. Hi. I love you, Auntie Martha. Hi, Megan. Hi, Michael. I'm little Miss Finley. And hi, Devin. Hi, Grandma Mildred. Hello, everybody. This is Finley. Granny Sue's holding me. Yeah, hi. Okay. We're gonna go bye-bye right now. I love everybody.